Welcome to our exploration of reptiles, one of the most fascinating groups of animals on Earth. Reptiles are scaled land vertebrates that have successfully adapted to life in almost every habitat on our planet. These remarkable creatures have been around for millions of years and continue to play vital roles in ecosystems worldwide. Let's discover what makes reptiles so unique and important. Reptiles are cold-blooded vertebrates, which means they have a backbone just like mammals, birds, and fish. What sets them apart is their dry, scaly skin that protects their bodies. Unlike amphibians that must keep their skin moist, reptiles have evolved a waterproof covering that allows them to live in dry environments. Most reptiles reproduce by laying eggs on land, which is another key characteristic that distinguishes them from their amphibian relatives. Reptiles share four main characteristics that define this group. First, they are cold-blooded ectotherms, meaning they rely on their environment to regulate body temperature. Second, they have dry, scaly skin made of keratin, the same material found in our fingernails. Third, they breathe using lungs throughout their entire lives, unlike amphibians which start with gills. Finally, most reptiles lay eggs on land, though some species give birth to live young. Being cold-blooded, or ectothermic, means reptiles cannot generate their own body heat internally like mammals do. Instead, they must rely completely on their external environment to warm up or cool down. You will often see reptiles basking in the sun to raise their body temperature and become active. When they get too hot, they move into shade or burrow underground to cool off. This dependency on external temperatures is why reptiles are most active during certain times of the day. The scales covering a reptile's body serve multiple important functions. Most crucially, these scales prevent water loss, allowing reptiles to survive in dry environments where amphibians cannot. The scales also provide protection from physical damage, acting like natural armor against predators and rough terrain. As reptiles grow, they periodically shed their old skin to reveal new scales underneath. This process, called molting or ecdysis, happens throughout their lives. Reptiles are divided into four major groups. Turtles and tortoises are easily recognized by their protective shells. Crocodilians, including crocodiles, alligators, and caimans, are powerful aquatic predators with armored bodies. Lizards make up the most diverse group with thousands of species ranging from tiny geckos to massive monitor lizards. Snakes are legless carnivores that have evolved incredible hunting adaptations. Together, these groups represent about 10,000 species found across the globe. Most reptiles reproduce by laying eggs with leathery shells, unlike the hard-shelled eggs of birds. These eggs are laid on land, even by species that spend most of their time in water, like sea turtles. The leathery shell allows oxygen to pass through while protecting the developing embryo inside. However, not all reptiles lay eggs. Some species, particularly certain snakes and lizards, give birth to live young in a process called viviparity. The young are born fully developed and ready to survive on their own. Reptiles have successfully colonized nearly every type of habitat on Earth. In deserts, species like rattlesnakes and horned lizards thrive in extreme heat and dryness. Tropical forests are home to countless species of snakes, lizards, and turtles. Some reptiles, like sea turtles and marine iguanas, have adapted to aquatic life in oceans. Grasslands support various snake and lizard species. Even mountains host reptiles that can tolerate cooler temperatures. This incredible adaptability has made reptiles one of the most successful animal groups. Reptiles have evolved remarkable adaptations for survival. Many species possess excellent vision, allowing them to spot prey or predators from great distances. Snakes and some lizards have forked tongues that detect chemical signals in the air, essentially allowing them to smell their surroundings. Specialized teeth and powerful jaws help reptiles capture and consume their prey effectively. Some species, like chameleons, can change their skin color for camouflage or communication. These adaptations have allowed reptiles to become successful hunters and survivors. Reptiles play crucial roles in maintaining healthy ecosystems. They control populations of insects and rodents, preventing these animals from becoming too numerous. As both predators and prey, Reptiles are key parts of food chains, connecting different levels of the ecosystem. They help maintain the delicate balance of nature by regulating populations of various species. Scientists also consider reptiles important indicators of environmental health, as changes in reptile populations can signal broader ecological problems. Protecting reptiles means protecting the health of entire ecosystems.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.